Purti ho?
Yes, Purti ho, ma'am.
Yes, Purti ho. I don't know technical glitches. I don't know
Okay.
what is happening, but this is a licensed software.
Okay. Some
I don't.
network issue, I think.
But network is perfect from my end
Okay.
because this Wi-Fi is not at all a sharing also.
Okay.
I'm just checking from the Siddharth. Just a minute.
Okay.
Yes, Putyom Siddhartha. Oh, yeah. Please take the requirement and do the assignment. Normally, in your companies, you will get the requirement like that only. Okay. Yeah. Then let me take another page. How we are going to explain now. Like we will see about our concept like a filters we need to discuss. Okay. Example, if you want to show your sum of data or maximum any statistical functions, sum, average, maximum, minimum, in such scenarios, you will use this card visual. Just click on card. Okay. I have different data actually. So I'm taking quantity in my example. Okay. Just mute yourself, ma. Okay. I'm just clicking on card. I want to show the sale sum of quantity or sum of sales in my uh, like you know in my data. Like I can take quantity. Like I'm just clicking on this. This is sum of quantity. This is card visual. In this card visual, you have different properties. Just go for select the visual, then go for formattings, how you want. Here, label. If I want label, it will be there. If I don't want label, you can off. Label is down caption. Okay. If I want label, just label on. But I don't want here sum of quantity. I just wanted to give only quantity. So that time, just expand these options how I want. If I want to increase the size of the label, then go on increase the size. Sum of quantity is the label size, it is increasing. Okay, this is label options. If you want to show your label like under bold or italic, how you want, okay, you can go with underline whatever you want, you can go for that. Okay, according to your requirement. And if you want to go for some other color also for the label, it is not for the value. This is just for label. I want to give label like this. Example, I'm just saying. If I want to give the color of the label, I can go ahead and do that. Okay. Then coming to the value and just value. If you want to increase the size of the value, you can increase, or if you want to decrease the value, you can decrease as per your requirement. I am just decreasing the value size as 25. Okay, then it reduces. Then this value color, if you want to give different colors, you can go with colors as well. Okay, this is applicable for quantity, like this value. These all are the things. These formattings will be applicable for values, not for the label. Okay, and here it is giving 89K like this. Okay, millions, or like thousands, how you wanted to mention, that is important. Display units, if you click on drop down, whether you want to mention millions, billions, trillions, or thousands. If you are like you can go for your selection. Like if I want to, if sales amount, if I want to take it in a millions, then go for millions. Okay, if you want to go for thousands, then it will, you can go for thousands. The sales data how you wanted to show. Okay, so here I just want quantity, I don't want sum of quantity. So that time what I can do, if I want to change here, like in a label, I can do just formattings of the label, like size and color, the formatting related things only I can do it. But if I want to change this as a quantity, then what I can do, just go for effects, and how you want this background also. Okay, so background color, if you want to give to this visual, you can go for background color. Just I will show one thing, rest of the things you please do the practice. Okay, this background color I want to take it like this. And for this border, if you want to give something, you can give borders as well. Border, if you take something other colors, I am just taking border, like dark, I am taking border. Just even border width also you can change. Okay, if you want to do round corners, this is just click here, rounded corners. These all things just do the practice. Okay, few options I am explaining, rest of the things you just do it. Under effects, like visual border, I am just giving visual border, rounded corners I want. Okay, how many pixels I am moving. See, if you look at now the shape, see here I have given border, like red, and rounded corners I have given. Earlier it is not the shape, but now the corners are rounded. So look and feel how you want, like you have to design your report in that way. Okay, here sum of quantity, I don't want sum of quantity, I just want quantity only. Then double click here. Whatever you are giving here, that will come as a label only. Okay, this is the label. So what are the things I have done here? I am changing, like even effects also you can give, like I mean here, category label, go to the general, effects. Okay, you can go effects also. In this shadow effect you can give. You turn on this. Okay, something shadow it is giving. See, in even in a shadow, I want to use some other color. Uh, outside shadow it is giving, because here I will take any dark color so that it is visible to you people, like how the shadow it is reflecting. See the shadow. Okay, I have taken as outside. These all are the options. You please like try from your end. Like outside shadow if I have taken, but I can take inside also. This will be inside shadow. Okay. Okay, what do you mean by tool tips? Tool tips are very important. If your mouse is over here, so it has to show something like a sales or a quantity. Now it is not showing anything. If you are keeping your mouse here, it is not showing anything. Why it is not showing anything? Your tool tips are off. Then select the visual, go to the tool tips, general, here tool tips. I am just turning on. Then click the tool tips. So what are the tool tips? It is there. Like if you wanted to give something, you can tell. Here see now, tool tip is on means it gives. Yeah, here I turn on tool tip. What how it is showing? Like quantity 89K. If I'm like my mouse is over, in a mouse over, it is showing the tool tip. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, but rest of the colors, background and all, you please try. Okay, so come to the title. If you are giving normally for card visuals, we don't take any titles, but still if you want any title, you can turn on. Okay, if you want to give any title, you can turn on title. Give the title, but actually normally for charts we'll give, but for these like card visuals, we don't go for any titles. If you want to give title, you can type your title as well, but title it will come like top, how you want. Okay, sales quantity, label it will come in the down, but this is the title. If you want, in few scenarios, you need even title as well. If your requirement is you need to give title, you just go with the title. Okay. And this title also, if you wanted to make a center alignment, you can do that. You can do bold, italic, and whatever the formattings. Background color for this title, you can give background color, and you can change font color. This will applicable for only title. Okay, title I wanted to give background color. This is applicable for only title, not for the rest of the thing. Okay, in few scenarios this type of design is required, so that time just you can do like this. Okay, this is card visual. Coming to the multi card, one more is there, multi card. Okay, multi card also like a card only, but normally these card visuals will use for like to represent some consolidated data. To represent our consolidated data, will go for cards like sum of data, maximum, minimum. Example, here I am showing sum, but I wanted to go for maximum. I am doing Control C and Control V means the same card will be copy pasted. Okay, I'm just taking, otherwise I need to take another visual, I need to do formattings, right? That is the reason I have taken like a and copy paste, like this much. And here I don't want here sum of sales, I want to go for maximum sales. Then I will go here, I have used, this is sum here. If you right click, here I am using sum. If I want to do average, then go for average. This is average of sales quantity. Okay, if I want all statistical functions, you can just no need to write any formulas, like these all are for statistical functions, min, maximum, count, these all things, like you no need to write a measures. If it is required, you can write, but for this, in a card, it is not required. You can simply choose the options. Okay. Then go for here what I am doing in a field, right click. Okay. Instead of that maximum sales, I want maximum. Okay. If I wanted to give that label, this is maximum quantity, that is average. If you wanted to do that, you can do. Or else in a title, you can change. That is the sum of sales. This is average sales. This is maximum sales. Okay, if you want to change how you are going to represent, if I wanted to take it just to only in a label means, I'll just come here and do the label. This is sum of quantity. Okay, and coming to here, this is average quantity. Average quantity. This is maximum sales. In that way, minimum, how you want anything, just go and do. Okay. Mm, maximum quantity. This is average, no? If you right click, you can see what exactly. See sum, average, maximum, minimum, count, district count, these things, no need to write any calculations. You can use those things. Okay. So just giving average. Average quantity. Okay. So how you wanted to design, that is based on requirement, you will design. But in our assignment, you need to take one uh, card visual, you need to show your sum of sales. Am I audible? I'm getting doubt actually.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Like I got doubt actually whether I am audible or not. Okay, thank you. Okay. Um, average quantity, spelling wrong. Okay. So how you are designing your this thing is based on designing also is a very very important thing. You need to design properly. See here, I have like these three visuals are there, but between these three visuals gap is not equal. So that time like just select here and move these arrows how you want, towards right or left. If not, you can do alignment things how you want. Just select these all are the visuals, press and hold the control key. Okay, then 1 second, then go for view. Here I need to, yeah, here you just go for view menu, and in this menu go for formattings, like I think format, yeah, format. Under format menu, then align. Here top alignment, center alignment, how you wanted to do. Okay, I just wanted to align center alignment. If I give, why? Because it is coming all the things into one, because I have selected all the visuals, all the cards at a time. That is the reason it was control Z. I want to align just a top alignment, and just select, and it should be top align and distribute horizontally. That means between these gaps, it would be horizontally got distributed. Okay, equal gaps it will maintain between these visuals. And if you want to send any visual back or any visual front, then that time you will use bring forward, send back, these things. Okay, so these things we'll see later, but I am just saying the alignment how you are going to do. Okay, and coming to the multi-card list of the things, here you will have a chance to display only one item at a time. But if you want to display multi items at a time, means you will go for multi-card. Then what are the things I want to give? All the models. I want to show all the models here. Okay, so multiple things you can show, you can see at a time, like a list kind of. This is a multi card, but in a single card, this card visual, it will show at a time only one thing. It is showing, but slicer is different from card. Okay, slicer to filter the data, like to interact the visuals, it will show, but it is just only display. This is not a slicer. Here you can show only single item at a time. Here multiple items you can show, like a list box, like a list kind of. This is a multi card. Okay, I have taken here, like, or else if I wanted to show like a list of cities, I can go for city. or else I can go for something cost centers I have. I can go with the cost center. Okay. This is just list box kind of multi-card. Okay. Not only this, like I wanted to see a model here. Multiple things you can attach here. Model I am taking here in a first column, not only one column, you can take multiple columns. But it is not a table, it is not a slicer. Okay. Along with this model, I want to see the sales value. Then I can come and give another quantity also. Okay. Some default it is taking how you want. See here, this is also card visual. Here also you can do the formattings. Then go and background and these values, labels. If you want to increase, you can do that. Okay, I wanted to increase this value. It is not visible much. I am just taking 20 as size. Okay. And the label also, if you want, you can increase the size. And this label color also, you can do here. By default, it is taking black color. If you want any specific color, you just go and change accordingly. Okay, what color you wanted to give. These formatting things are border, background. If you wanted to do, just do those things. If you wanted to apply any background color or something, just click here. Background, if you want to apply any color, you just go and apply the background color if you want. Just do that practice. Okay. Formattings, these all are the things how we want. That is like, there is no limitation here. Any number of columns you can add, but this is not a table. Okay. This is just card visual. Okay. I hope it is clear till now. So I'm going for filters and these things. Let me check if any messages. Yeah. If anything is there, just text me. Till here, I hope it is clear. The rest of the formattings, you please check. I am just applying only 1, 2 colors. How many colors, those things, you just do that. That is in a practice. Okay.
Ma'am, can we know that which chart or which visual we have used in the report? I mean, by just clicking on that.
This is card visual. This is card. This is multi-card.
Okay.
This is card visual. This is the card visual. Okay. This is multi-card. This is multi-card visual. If you keep your mouse over there, multi-row card, this multi-card. Okay. Multiple rows you can show here. It is like a list box kind of. If you have this type of requirement, you will go for multi-card. But this is not a table. This is just multi-card. In this type of cards, you can show only single value. Here you can show multiple values.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, according to your requirement, you will opt the visuals, what visuals you want. Okay, then I'm taking like a table here. I'm just taking table here we already seen what are the things we can take in a table. In a table, you are placing, like, here I want model, I want item code description, item code, item name, and I want a quantity. I want this voucher number as well. So voucher number, I will take here voucher. Okay, this is just like, already we have seen like how to take our table. Let me increase font size. It would be clear then. Go to the values, increase the size. Like here, if I am increasing, only value size will be increased. Okay, I'm just taking 20 as values because it has to be visible. It should be visible to the audience. That is the reason. I'm just, let me decrease this size. In a multi-card, like, if the values are increased automatically, if you observe, right side scroll bar is coming because I have taken multiple values in that. Scroll bar is there. But normally you can't see scroll bar in your card because here we'll represent single values. Okay. And I want to now see only value size has been increased, but column headers is not increased the size. Then you please go for column headers, then increase the size here also. I'm just giving size as 22. Okay. And if the columns, like, this width is not sufficient, means automatically this scroll bars, it will come. No need to give scroll bars. Vertical and horizontal scroll bars, automatically it will come as per the data. Okay. This is my item name. You can increase or decrease column widths like our Excel, how you will do in Excel. The same things you can do here also. Okay. This is my item and I wanted to move even model. If you want to give grid lines in different colors, you can do that. Okay. This is my table. But if here we wanted to see what do you mean by filter, what do you mean by slicer. Okay, that's a very that this is one interview question. Filter types they will ask. Under filter we have 3 types of filters: visual level filter, page level filter, report level filter. Visual level filters are lowest filters. If you are filtering something, it has to applicable for that visual, means you will go for visual level filters. If you want to filter the data, like, the entire page, then you will go for page level filters. If you want to filter the data and complete on your report. Then you will go for report level filters. This is important interview question. Filter types. Filters will use to filter the data, and it is nothing but in SQL Server where class, okay, to filter out the data. Example, this is my report. In this report, I have 3 pages. Overview is 1 page, details is another page, and page 1 is another page. So if I am applying report level filters, example, I will show the differences between these 3 filters. That is very, very important. Okay, report level filters has to place in all the pages page. So if you are giving here, it will applicable to all the pages. I'll show the difference. I am just keeping model in page level filter. I am just placing model in page level filter. Okay, in a page level filter, I am selecting values, products, only BM 100 and BM 125. Where I have applied BM 100 and BM 125 data only. Okay, here I did not take any. Okay, BM 125 or BM 100, I don't have sales or what. We'll see how it is. Okay, or else I will take BM 150. Okay, here most of the data I have BM 150 only. So here I have taken BM 150 and CT 125. CT 125 I have data. Okay. So here I have selected in report level only BM 150 and CT 125 data only. BM 150 and CT 125 products. Though I have multiple products, I just selected these only. I will go for only one product. Okay. I am selecting here BM 150 only. But I have selected this filter is there in a report level filter. This is, it will applicable to all the pages which are existed in the report. So here I have selected BM 150, but in details also only BM 150 product will be selected here also. Okay, only BM 150 data will be selected. Here I did not take any model. Okay. This is voucher number. I think I did not take any model here. 1 second. Maybe first page I have taken. If you are applying page level filter, it will applicable to the all the pages. Maybe if you have a data, you will get it. If you don't have a data, you won't get that. Okay. If you have for that product, you will get that data. Is it clear? If you are applying any filters page level, it will applicable to the all the pages. Okay. And coming to next level filters. If I am applying any filter, I am just clearing this filter. Clear here. Just clear. And if you are applying any filter in this page, that page filter is applicable to for this page only. Okay. Here I am applying year level filter. Okay. Year filter. Example, I'm just saying year filter I am taking on this page. Okay. I am just going for basic level. I am not going for advanced filters. Basic filtering. Just click on basic filtering. Then I want to see only 2024 data. I don't want all these years. I'm just clicking only 2024 data. If you are applying any filter page level, this all visuals are existed in this page. It fetches the data only 2024. It is applicable. All the visuals are placed in this page. Here you have selected 2024, but in a overview, you will get all the years because that filter will be applicable for that page only. Okay. If you are applying year filter at page level, we'll see what will happen. I am applying this year level filter on all the pages. Okay. We are going to wind up our session in 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Okay. Then go for basic filtering. Then here on page level, I am taking 2024. Okay. So it is applicable to the all pages. This is 2024 data, and here also it would be selected 2024 only. I did not select it here, but still it got selected 2024 data only because I have applied report level filters. Report level filters, it applicable to the all the pages. Okay. So we discussed report level filters, page level filters. Then coming to the visual level filters. So here I want to take, like, to show an example. I wanted to take year wise for this particular visual only. So what I will do, I'm just clearing the filters. I'm just clearing the filters. And here also I am clearing the filters. Clear filter. Okay. Yeah. I am just giving year. Here I want to show. I wanted to take here also year as an item. Okay. Yeah. After voucher, you are getting even year as well. Okay. So here I don't want to filter all the visuals data. Just I want to filter out this particular visual only. So what I will do, we have seen all the pages, we have seen page wise. Then if you want to give visual level filter, just click on that visual, select the visual. You just select the visual. Okay. Then go filters on this visual. Okay. I am just opting here year. Go for basic filtering. Or else I can give like here top 5 years. Okay. Or else I can go with my choice. Okay. I am giving here 2021 your data. If you have 2021, you will get the data. You have only 2021 data. But this is applicable for only this visual. But these all visuals, it will show as usual. Okay. Till here, any doubts? You can ask your questions now. Then I will show that I will tell the difference between slicer and filter. That is also, let me complete even that. In a filters, we have 3 types: visual filters, page level filters, report level filters. Report level filters are highest. It will applicable to the all the pages to that report. Page level filters, page level filter, it filters the data for that particular page only. In that page, if you have multiple visuals, those all visuals data will get filtered out based on a page level filters. If you are taking visual level filter, that is the lowest level of filter. It filters the data of that particular visual only. That is filters. Coming to the slicers, if I apply here any slicer also to filter out the data, but not action. It is not filtering completely. It is giving like my internet connection is not stable. Is proper. Okay. So let me take in this slicer. Here I am taking in a slicer. Okay. So here I have taken, this is my slicer, and for this slicer we have different shapes. Slicer settings. Then if I want like a between, I can go for between operator. Between that years I will get, or else if I am using vertical or a drop down, I can go vertical list. I'm going as a vertical list. Okay. This is my slicer. Okay. So now I wanted to just filter out only 2019. It interacts the data. Only 2019 data only it will show. 2019 nothing is there. 2020. Okay. If you observe one thing, maybe something in your page level filter, if it is there, means it overrides that. Okay. 2021 data we have. If you want 2022 data, here interaction will be there. Okay. 2021 data. Okay. So the difference between the filter and the slicer, that is one interview question. Filter, it filters the data from the data set. Okay. Coming to the slicer, it filters the data like, it like not while loading the data. After coming the data here with visuals interaction, it filters the data. It is not directly filtering from the data set. It is in a visual level, it is interaction. It is giving us to select that particular data. It is not physically filtering out. It is just giving an option to select that particular data. Okay. It is looking like a filter, but it is not a filter. It is slicing the data. So here you can say these all are different slices. Example, if you take a orange, ఒక యాపిల్ ఉంది, దాన్ని ఒక 4-5 స్లైసెస్ కింద చేశారనుకోండి, 4-5 pieces. So like which slice you want, just you will pick that. Okay, here data, you are interacting the data based on a slices. It is physically not filtering anything. It is just slicing the data. Which slice you want, you are just, going as per your choice. But filtering data, it is like, it is filtering out. So then raise your questions. We'll close our session in 5 minutes. But this is very, very important thing. Slicer will be helpful to interact the data based on your choice. It is nothing but a slicing or dicing of a data. But coming to the filters, it is physically filtering out the data. It is stopping that data to flow the data into visuals. That is a filtering. Okay, you can raise your questions now. If anyone is not clear about this concept, let me know. I am trying to explain. Banu, maybe you did not follow like aggregate values you can show in your card visual, sum, average, max, minimum. That is only I have shown in card visuals. In our, if you look at the screen, I have taken 3 cards. Like, in first card I have shown as a sum, second card I have shown average, and third card I have shown maximum. So in card visual you can show that. I don't know for what reason you have raised that question, ma.
Ma'am, slicer we cannot apply it on in all the pages, right? It is applicable to particular page only.
Yes, because slicer is different from filter.
Right.
Slicer, it is like, to slice the data, to interact the data on a sliced base. Physically it is not filtering any data, it is just slicing. Any doubts? In your requirement? Yeah, tell me.
మేడం, ఒక పేజ్ లో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ ఓచర్ ఇయర్ అది తీసుకున్నారు కదా మేడం, అటువంటిది సెకండ్ తీసుకున్న ఒకే స్లైసర్ తో ఆ రెండిట్లు ఫిల్టర్ రెండిటికి కావాలంటే ఎలా మేడం? ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఇయర్ తీసుకు 2021 ఉన్నారు, కింద ఓచర్ ఇయర్ మోడల్ దాని మీద అది అప్లై.
ఓచర్ నంబర్ ఇలా ఉందమ్మా, ఇది ఇయర్ కాదు, ఇది EBS 12523 అనేది ఇది ఓచర్ నంబర్.
ఓకే, అదే మేడం, దాని పక్కన ఉంది కదా మేడం
ఇయర్.
ఇయర్ 2021 మోడల్.
ఓకే,
ఇది ఒక చార్ట్ మేడం.
ఇది టేబుల్, కిందది టేబుల్
మేడం, సెకండ్
కిందది టేబుల్ విజువల్.
ఓకే మేడం, కింద ఇంకొక టేబుల్ విజువల్ తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి మేడం, అంటే ఇంకొకటి సేమ్ ఇటువంటి
ఓకే తీసుకోమంటారా? ఇంకొక విజువల్ తీసుకోమంటారా?
ఇప్పుడు అదే
ఓకే, ఇది ఒక టేబుల్ తీసుకున్నాను, ఇంకొక టేబుల్ తీసుకోమంటారా? ఓకే ఓకే, ఇంకో టేబుల్. ఓకే, చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఇందులో ఏం తీసుకోమంటారు?
ఇందులో కూడా సపోజ్ డేటా ఉందనుకోండి మేడం,
ఏం డేటా తీసుకోమంటారు?
ఇందులో ఒక 3-4 ఫీల్డ్స్ తీసుకోండి మేడం.
ఏం తీసుకోమంటారు చెప్పండి.
ఐటమ్ కోడ్, ఐటమ్ కోడ్, ఐటమ్ నేమ్, ఇయర్.
ఓకే.
ఐటమ్ కోడ్, ఇయర్. ఇయర్ కూడా
ఇయర్ కూడా తీసుకున్నానమ్మా.
మేడం ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇది పైన స్లైసర్లు అప్లై చేశారనుకోండి మేడం, ఈ 2 టేబుల్స్ మీద ఎఫెక్ట్ పడుతుందా?
పడుతుంది.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు పైన ఓకే, మరి దీనికి సపరేట్ స్లైసర్, దానికి సపరేట్ స్లైసర్ తీసుకుని కూడా ఫిల్టర్ చేయొచ్చా మేడం? ఏ టేబుల్ కా టేబుల్ డిఫరెంట్ స్లైసర్?
చేయొచ్చు.
ఓకే.
అప్పుడు ఏం
అప్పుడు మనం ఇంకో
చేస్తామంటే
స్లైసర్
ఇవి మొత్తం అంతా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా, ఇవి ఇంటరాక్టివ్
ఓకే.
స్లైసర్స్. ఏదైనా పర్టికులర్ టేబుల్ ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు దీనికి అప్లికబుల్ అవ్వాలి, ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇది అప్లికబుల్ అవ్వకూడదు. బట్ వెరీ వ్యాలిడ్ క్వశ్చన్, వెరీ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఇంటరాక్షన్ స్టాప్ చేస్తాం దీనికి దానికి.
అది ఎలా మేడం ఇంటరాక్షన్ స్టాపింగ్?
అది చెప్తాను ఫర్దర్
ఓకే.
లెసన్స్ లో. బట్ ఈస్ ఎ వ్యాలిడ్
ఓకే.
క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, హియర్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఐటమ్ కోడ్ ఇయర్ తీసుకుందాం, ఎందుకంటే నేమ్ ఇస్తే నాకు అంతగా కనిపించట్లేదు కదా, ఎక్కువ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోయింది కదా. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్
ఓకే.
రిమూవింగ్ దాట్. ఓకే, సో అంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక పేజ్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్ లాగే ఉపయోగపడుతుంది కదా మేడం. నేను ఇక్కడ ఒక స్లైసర్ ఇస్తే అన్ని అవే సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. కానీ నా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ 2020 నేను 2022 ఆర్ 2024 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2022. బట్ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్ నాన్న. ఓకే, 2022 తీసుకున్నా అండ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ మల్టిపుల్ సెలెక్షన్స్. ఓకే, ఎందుకు ఈ టేబుల్లో ఉంది కదా 2022 డేటా.
Visual level filter is there.
Okay, if I am selecting 2021, here also 2021 is selecting, here also 2021 data is selecting. ఫస్ట్ మీరు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి, ఇది ఓన్లీ ఈ విజువల్ కే ఉండాలి, ఈ విజువల్ డేటా ఫిల్టర్ అవ్వకూడదు, అదేనా మీ క్వశ్చన్?
ఎస్ మేడం.
ఓకే, అలాంటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే ఇప్పుడు అన్ని విజువల్స్ ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. నేను ఇక్కడ విజువల్ లైక్ ఇక్కడ స్లైసర్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అన్ని విజువల్స్ మనకి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతాయి. యాక్చువల్లీ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే అన్ని విజువల్స్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతాయి, మీకు అన్ని చేంజ్ అవుతున్నాయి చూడండి.
ఎస్ మేడం.
ఓకే, సో అలాంటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, నాకు ఇది వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ విజువల్ లెవెల్ కిందే పని చేయాలి, వేరేవి స్లైసింగ్ అవ్వకూడదు అంటే అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఇంటరాక్షన్ లో దాన్ని ఆపేస్తాం. మనం ఇక్కడ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ పర్టికులర్ డేటా అనేది ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు అంటే నేను అది అక్కడ ఇంటరాక్షన్ కట్ చేస్తాను. సో కట్ చేస్తే ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వవు. ఎడిట్ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్, గో ఫర్ ఎడిట్ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఇవి నేను ఇక్కడ ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా. ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు ఇంటరాక్ట్, ఇఫ్ ఐ ఆమ్ గివింగ్ హియర్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు ఇంటరాక్ట్ these all visuals, or else this particular visual I don't want to interact. So that time I will turn off this interaction.
ఓకే.
ఇక్కడ ఫిల్టర్ అవుతుంది కదా రిలేటెడ్ గా, ఇక్కడ నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే that interaction I will stop. This is a very very important topic. I will stop this interaction. If I'll stop this interaction, so if I am selecting some other years also, it is displaying all the data. You observe now?
Yes madam.
Now what I did, nothing I did, I just disconnected that interaction, that's it.
Ma'am, can you show one more time a way to disconnect the interaction?
You have to click on like edit interactions. From there, you need to stop that visual interaction. You have to select this none.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. If it is not none means, then it will interact all the things. So wherever if you don't want to interact that visual, you can stop that visual. Okay. I hope I have cleared your doubt, ma.
Yes, madam.
But this is valid doubt. It's a very, very important doubt as well. It is
Ma'am,
not doubt actually. I'm going forward. I'm going to explain this, but that topic, like I have explained now. So you can, like, do that interactions. You can off these interactions, which, like, visual you want to stop. You can control in that way. So slicers or filters, both are different. Slicers just to slice your data based on your selection, but filters are different. It is filtering the data. It is just slicing your data. I hope it is clear now. Still, see, I have selected for this visuals 2023 data. I don't have that particular any vouchers in 2023. Okay, I am not getting any data here, but still this is getting, because it is not, I stopped this interaction. So ikkada slicer తో సంబంధం లేకుండా డేటా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. If I select 2021 also, it gives all the years data, because it is not interacting with this slicer. Here we are getting only 2021 because this slicer is active, but here we kept this slicer interaction is none. That is the reason it is giving all years data. 2019, 2021, 2020, all I am getting. Is it clear?
Yes, madam.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one more question. Actually,
tell me.
while loading the data, I've seen a storage mode. Can you please tell me what is that, ma'am?
Storage modes, we have two types, like, storage, import and live. In few things, dual mode also they will tell, but I will explain that is later. Normally, 90% it will come for import only. When it will go for live connection, if you are directly connecting to the live DBs, live databases, online connections, you are going like interacting with the live data. OLTP systems, if you are connecting, that time it will go for live data. Normally, if you are working in a tabular model, that time you will go for live connection.
Okay.
But in our classes, because I am not teaching here any tabular model, any cubes we are not teaching here. So we are using import mode only.
Okay.
Okay.
You
Yeah, in
you
import
ma'am,
mode,
you
like,
think,
the data,
in-
whatever you are getting the data, it will come and store internally the memory of Power BI.
okay.
In memory. But if you are
Okay.
connecting to the live, there is no, like, it is not going and coming to store in memory, but you are connecting directly to the DB. Actually, if it is a live connection, refresh is not required, because that is already live data. So no need to do refresh of your data.
Okay.
Okay. But if it is coming to the import mode, so to get any changes from backend, you have to refresh your data to get most recent updates in data.
Okay. Ma'am, which one we follow, ma'am, in live, like in projects?
That's what I said now. Import mode, normally live connection will be used if your data like interacting with directly with OLTP systems or huge data timings, like if your data is in cube model OLAP, like you are creating any cubes, from there you are connecting, that time you will go for live connection. But 90% reports will go for import mode only.
Okay, yeah, that's what my question. Actually, in live projects, which one is used mostly? So sorry
Yeah.
for wrong question.
But if it is
Framing.
a huge data, if your data in a cube, then you will directly go with live connection. Live.
Okay,
That time you will use a tabular model, not this one.
okay,
Data will be aggregated data or that live connection. So how you are going, and that is the infrastructure, how it is supporting to your projects. But normally till now, like I have 6 years experience, so till now I never gone into live storage mode. In
okay,
only one report, that is very short term, one project I got a short term chance to work with live connection. Only one report, that is just 2-3 months project, live I have used
okay.
live storage
And
mode. Yeah.
one more question, ma'am. So if we use import in development environment, and can we change it to direct in production environment, ma'am?
No, we are not supposed to change anything in whatever it is there, that is only it will carries, right?
Yeah. Okay. I mean, in production, we may have
While
huge data.
getting the data, you will take change the connection. So once then once you developed, how you are going to change your connection?
Yep. Yes, madam. Yeah.
Yeah, these all are the things in inception, like while starting, you do. So after
Okay.
completion of this one, after completion of report, you will deploy into production, right? So
Yeah.
then that time, how you can?
Yeah. We cannot change.
Yeah, but that is different. Live is different. Live connection is different. Storage mode, like
Mhm.
import mode is a different mode actually.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because almost time, 2 hours exceeded. So normally these type of questions, but whatever you people are asking, all valid questions. But I can give this time these type of questions for Saturdays or Sundays, any my holiday timings, because I am also working. So it is very difficult for me to give this much time every day. Okay. See, Prashanti, whatever I have explained, whether you know or not, I am doing live project only. But okay, don't record these things and display. Okay. I cannot specifically tell, because I cannot show my client data to you. Don't expect that. I cannot do that. That is a very risk to my job. Okay. Yeah. Spurti, any other things? See, you people, Naresh, you people are absent yesterday's class, these all things, but I am directly, every day I'm contacting with the management. I'm the part of the organization, but few things, it is not in my hands. So I need to get the credentials from the management. Till now, I did not get any credentials from the management to upload the videos over there. I should get the credentials from the management. Then only I can upload the session. Okay. So please try to attend the classes. If any missing classes are something, I cannot repeat the classes, because if I am repeating the classes, so I cannot complete my scheduled content. I cannot deliver. Try to understand from my end as well.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you please mention the initial name? I am Naresh. Someone
Yeah,
is
Naresh. Yeah, Naresh, tell me.
yeah. Just now you said like Naresh, you are absent. I'm not absent yesterday. How
But
many
in
members
a,
are there, Naresh?
oh, but I don't know. I got a message
Acha.
from my chat
Okay, okay,
with
no problem. No problem. No.
from there. Actually, I'm reading maybe
Okay, okay.
2-3 Nareshes are there. I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No problem. No problem. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, because he is M Naresh. He said that yesterday he was absent. Yesterday recording is expecting ma. So maybe multiple names are there. I'm sorry for that. Okay, record Ramya and these all people, they are asking recordings, but I did not get credentials from the management. Once I get, then I'll try to upload. Okay. Okay. So I can, because I cannot show my client data, but whatever I am doing, whether if you observe, that is data. But I cannot, because the recording is going on, I can speak with you offline. I cannot say what the data I am showing, but try to capture the things. Okay. Yeah, I'll stop recording first.